behind me we have a Mini Cooper Countryman. Vehicle's brand new, came to us straight from Mini. Client wanted to make the car look a little bit different. Opted for our overlay kits on the Countryman, the Cooper, the S kit, the wheel kit, the wing kit, as well as our pinstripe kits on the front. Come and have a look at what we've done, guys. On the rear, simple overlay on the Countryman, makes it look really cool. Above it you can see the wing kit with the option mini kits on the interior, so you could go black there with the red on the interior if you wanted to. On the side we've got the Cooper overlay in black and the S to match the Countryman. On the wheels got the Mini in red to match the rear. Down the side of the car, S to match the rear and the back, and on the wheels, really cool parts in the front here. We've got the wings kit that changes that front end, the stripe kit on the front, as well as the S. Really cool little SUV pocket rocket, dressed in this beautiful grey, brand new. This is how we like to do them, guys. Simple, simple, simple things. These things you can all do by yourself at home. The kits will be available really, really shortly online. We're building a really cool website so you guys can select your color options. You can get it shipped anywhere in our country. So we're very excited to launch these new products. And to all you Mini owners, come get some.